Hello lovely people, welcome you all back to Home Sweet Food channel. Today is another short video that I'm sharing with you all. So I soaked the beans overnight and then rinsed with some clean water, and I boiled the leaves for about 20 minutes to get that reddish color that I want for this waakye. So if you want that reddish color, you don't trust your water leaf, just soak them or boil them for some time before you add in your beans. So any way that you do, when you soak it, you get that reddish color. So when the beans is halfway cooked, I added in my rice and then stir everything. Traditionally, you just need salt for this recipe. I found out adding this to the waakye makes it taste good. So I added my fried onions, some salt, and then some seasoned salt. That seasoned salt doesn't contain much sodium, so be careful with the salt that you consume. Stir everything, cover, and then let it cook. You can enjoy this waakye with your shito, avocado, fish, anything you want to go along with this waakye is perfect. Thank you all for watching, and I love you all. Home Sweet Food, Ejianepa, Tiankasa. Don't forget to like, share, follow for more cooking Kenyan recipe. Thank you all. Thank you.
Home Sweet Food, sharing our recipes.